first thing you're going to need is your circumference so that you can pick your cap size. You're going to need a fabric soft measuring tape so that you can put the tape around your hairline and figure out how many inches that is. You are going to put the first part of the tape where either where your hairline is or where it was if you don't have any hair, and then take that soft tape and go all the way around, put it at your nape, and then go back up and then take that measurement. That is going to be the circumference that you're going to need for your cap size. So here is what that looks like all the way around. I start at my widow's peak. You are going to go above your ear where the wig cap will rest, underneath your nape, and then back over the other ear. Now that you have the circumference of your head for your cap size, you're going to want to measure to see what length you think you would prefer on your wig. RPGSHOW has this handy chart under their facts, and this lets you know the difference if you're ordering a straight wig, a wavy wig, a curly wig. It lets you know how it will look measurement-wise. RPGSHOW measures from the crown, which is right here on your head, down to the ends. So when you are measuring with your soft measuring tape to determine the length of your wig, put your measuring tape at your crown and then figure out where you would like your wig to end lengthwise and then jot that down. The front of this wig is right at 14 inches, which is what I ordered. And then the longest pieces of this wig, because there are some layers in it, the longest ones are 18.5 to 19 inches. And that is my sweet spot. That is a length that I love. But you know, if you want a 14-inch wig, if you want a 26-inch wig, you're just going to use your measuring tape from your crown down to where you like it. And then in the order box, there is a drop-down menu where you can pick the length for your wig and it will be custom cut for you.